gorgeous people. This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. And in today's subscription box Saturday, I have for you my January Ipsy. So that's self-explanatory. I think pretty much everybody knows what the Ipsy Glam bag is. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys. So here's my bag. Let's open her up and see what they got inside of it. Alrighty. Okay, a lot of stuff outside the bag this month, so we'll start with the stuff outside the bag. We have a Firma 403 brush. I am sure they will tell me about this brush. I'm just going to take it out of the thing, but here it is. I'm sure they'll tell me about this brush in the bag. I think soft. Yay! So that's good. I'm going to use it on my eyes. Not sure what it's for, but that's probably where I'll use it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the bag here. So see if they have a card. They do. They have a card in here. So let's open up the little card here. Okay, so this brush that I lost, this brush is a Firma Beauty 403 round blending brush. So it's to shade and blend your eyeshadows like a pro. Awesome. So the tip for this is this master blender is ideal for smoothing out streaks and visible makeup lines. So the full size, this is a full size product, obviously. And the retail price of this brush, just one brush, $14.99. I think that's a little high, but I would never pay that for this brush. Happy to have it, and I'll definitely use it, but yeah, I would never pay that price. So we're going to stick it back in my little bag here and move on to the next product that was outside the bag, which is a couple of masks here. So we have a Centella repairing mask. So here's that one. Hopefully you guys are getting that. And then we have a shea butter nourishing mask. So here's that one. Awesome. So let's read about the mask really quick here. I am not going to try to pronounce it because I'm sure I will butcher their name. So it's a sheet mask duo, Centella and shea butter. So dry hydrated skin who. With these two masks in your arsenal, your skin will be nourished like never before. The rose mask contains rose water and chamomile that are like a soothing drink for your skin. And the nourishing mask contains deeply moisturizing and healing shea butter. That's pretty awesome. So the tip is to apply sheet mask to clean skin for 15 minutes. Remove and pat extra essence into skin. All right, so this is a full-size product, and the cost per mask, not just for one, the cost per mask is $6. So both of these value would be $12, obviously. So there you go. There's my next little product in here. All right, let's move to the inside of the bag. I didn't even get to show you guys the bag. Hold on. Here's the bag. Woo! It says Dream with stars. I dream all the time, guys. I am a dreamer. It's really soft. It's cool. I don't know. I like it. I mean, it's not bad. Got a nice little ring hook there. All right, digging it. Let's see what else is in here. So, Biro New York Salmon Cream. Okay, I don't know what a salmon cream is. I don't know what it's used for. So let's go ahead and pop in here. It's packed with omega-3s and fatty acids. Salmon is a healthy superfood that nourishes your body and your skin. So you'll find it in this nutrient-dense cream made with salmon extract that's prized for its ability to improve skin health and fight fine lines and wrinkles. Yay! So the tip is to dot it onto your face and massage until absorbed. Add more to the dry spots on your face. So this is a deluxe sample, which they sent me 0.67 fluid ounces or 20 milliliters in this one. And the full-size version is 50 grams. And whoa, baby. The cost of the full-size version is $120. Wow, guys. Well, let's open this up. $120. It is sealed, just so you guys know. All right, so it's just white cream. Okay, guys, I don't know. Well, it's got a funky smell. Obviously, you can't see anything on my hand, but yeah, it's got a weird smell to it. I mean, it is salmon, so salmon's notoriously known for not smelling very good, so you know, $120. I'm still kind of stuck on that. All right, so let's move on to the next thing. I did take the stuff off of this. This is a fully charged pure mascara. Okay, so here's that, and I will show it to you this way so you can read that if you so choose to. All right, so what does it say about this? It is a pure mini fully charged mascara. Mini. It says mini twice in the... I get it. It's mini. All right, so obviously we know what mascara does, and this one, the tip is to hold the wand horizontally and coat each lash from root to tip. What we do with all mascaras. And this is a deluxe sample, so I don't know. Did they put the 0.14 fluid ounces or 4 milliliters in their deluxe sample? The full size version is 13 milliliters for $22, which is, you know, that's roughly the cost of all mascaras that you get in these types of things. So there you go. And the it would not be my video if I didn't drop something. So let's pick it up. Okay, guys. So this is a Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. Okay. Problem for this. The problem you would have to use this is tired eyes. Okay, let me just show it to you because I am really messing this up. I hope you guys are getting it. I don't know. It looks kind of glary, but hopefully it's not. So this is a Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. Try to say that 5 times fast. So this eye cream gets straight to the root of your under eye issues. It's formulated with rice bran extract, soy peptides, organic red tea, and arnica. It hydrates and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Plus, it absorbs fast, also known as it's great before makeup. Okay, so tip, work 1 drop over your under eye area in a patting motion with your ring finger. Why does that have to be your ring finger? When I do that, I use my middle finger like this. Why does that have to be this finger? Wonder what the logic is there. I don't know. I'll try it and see if it does anything different. I'm just saying. As long as you get it rubbed in, I don't understand what finger it matters. Anyway, the retail price of the full-size version of this, which this is obviously a deluxe sample, this is 4 milliliters or 0.133 fluid ounces. The full-size version is 15 milliliters for $55. So, again, unless this thing is absolutely amazing, I probably won't be buying any more of it. That was my final product, guys. So this wasn't a bad bag. I mean, overall, the bag's okay. Will I use it? Most likely. I mean, I use all the bags or I give them as gifts to somebody. So I will definitely get use out of this bag in some way, shape, or form. I think that the golden gem, I guess, in this one would be this salmon cream, which better be phenomenal. I don't know. We'll see. I'll definitely give it a try, but I love my Ipsy Glam bag. This one is $12 a month for anyone who would be interested in getting a glam bag and does not know that information. So that's all I got for you guys in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? I am trying to avoid this box, and like you can tell because I was like, boom. All right, try it again. This box is huge. This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and we are in Subscription Box Saturday. That worked well. We are on a roll. Okay, try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff, and in today's Subscription Box Saturday. Why can't I say this? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's Subscription Box Saturday, I don't want to say it like that. Okay. And in today's Subscription Box Saturday, I have for you my January. Oh, okay. What's up, gorgeous people? Message. What's that message for? What's up, gorgeous people? Okay, I'm still trying to avoid the box. We're going to move it over a little more. Okay, guys, so that went well. Off to a great start. Okay, guys, so ugh, doesn't want to throw her. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. So I don't want to say after that. Okay, guys, so no, that throw. Okay, guys, so did like a 360 spin. Try it again. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to take all this out. Okay, guys.